Danke bafethu, welcome back to Nkuli Soccer. Another disappointing result izolo for i-Kaizer Chiefs, but this time around ngifuna ukuvula ngemeseji engiyibonile lapha kuma-comments bafethu. Ibuya kubaba uSithole lapha. Uthi uyangibingelela ubaba uSithole, uyabuza ukuthi uphi uSilva, uthi uMduduzi Shabalala unama-moments wakhe kodwa i-decision making yakhe yiyo le emletha down. Nami into engike ngakhuluma ngayo ukuthi uMduduzi Shabalala unokwenza into enhle but ekugcineni ku-final third uyamosha. And then uthi lana uSirino azange abonakale. Uthi i-Kaizer Chiefs kumele idlale as a team not as ama-individuals. Uthi laphana phambili akuzanywe uSilva, uSheslete, uMaboya, uVelebayi. Uthi maybe i-Kaizer Chiefs izothola something from la ma-player lawa wabalili. Okay, I want to start by saying this. Uli Lepo is not giving i-Kaizer Chiefs anything bafethu in recent games in terms of like uku-assista namagoli. Siyazi ukuthi uzoshaya but uzoshaya nje into ebhekele eceleni. So uqale ebhentshini ukubonisa ukuthi i-trust abanayo that much kuye because past few games akenzi lutho. Simbonile namhlanje simbonile manizolo ugeje 2 golden opportunities bafethu because of i-decision making yakhe poor. I-professional football elinjani kuze ibhola sometime i-defender liyenza wangashayi ngo-left ushaye on target nge-shot because uke washaya ngo-left powerful outside the 18. Why inside 18 area? Why anga-react quick ashaya lela bhola leli? And then khona elinye bekathi uyalikhela yeah. uVelebayi was supposed to play. Amalokhu njani ama-coach e-Kaizer Chiefs or coach e-Kaizer Chiefs of Eddie Coward. So you have to trust these young guns. You have to trust these young stars. Give them the opportunity to play. Uthemba abantu, why would you trust abantu abakulethe down for the past 4 games? I-Kaizer Chiefs ina 4 games bafethu ingawini laphana ku-Betway Premiership, 4 straight games no win. Yashawa yini isikhukhune United 3-1, yabuya yadrawa neMarumo Gallants laphana, yadrawa namaZulu, mayise idrawa neSiwelele. And then njalo ba-create ama-opportunities but bayawa-waste. So give ama-youngsters or ama-stars lawa amasha opportunity. Laba bayenzeli lutho i-Kaizer Chiefs laba abathenjwa kakhulu. Ama-regular, khona ama-regular esaziyo ukuthi bahlezi bekhona. But-ke bazosebenza kanzima kanjani if they are always guaranteed i-chance yokuthi bazodlala bafethu. So I wanna go to this thing. Ucoach we-Kaizer Chiefs ukhulumile ku-conference bafethu after i-game. Uthe kuyiqiniso ukuthi abawathatha ama-opportunities wabo overall. Nizwa ukuthi uthini? Uthi next game bazozama ama-new combinations. So awungitshele ucoach i-team enkulu, so ucoach for what, how many games manje? Ucoach nabe phela akasekho for some time right now because they started playing neCabo Scope yase-Angola and then they were in charge, right? Sebadlala amagame amaningi. Even today abanayo i-combination le abayithembayo, njalo bazodlala. Kusho ukuthi bashaya ama-dice labantu laba, abazi ukuthi kuzophuma i-pop noma kuzophuma kuzophuma u-7 u-1 abazi, bathatha ama-chance. Utshela i-media ukuthi uzolokhu njani, uzozama amanye ama-combinations. Maphi ama-combination? Last few weeks back, I think 2 weeks back, uthe yena sebanaso i-starting 11 sabo just nje bapesha lapho nalapho. Today uyasichange istory sakhe uthi bazozama amanye ama-combinations. There is no way you build a team stable bafethu. You have to believe kule nto lo nayo, uhlale kuyo, believing ukuthi ama-results azoba khona. But-ke if udlala i-finder every game wena ufuna ukuswitcha, it's not gonna work for i-team overall bafethu. uBen Khalil bengekho lapha ebhentshini le-Kaizer Chiefs, ubuziwe-ke uCedric ukuthi uphi uBen. I-co-coach yakhe uthi ayikho la eSouth Africa, ise-North Africa, athenda izinto ezipersonal. So usho kanjalo, sazi ukuthi izinto athi uzobuya next game, asazi ukuthi into ey'personal zakhe ziyamgcina u-Kaizer Chiefs or kwenzakalani ngempela, but hopefully uzoba khona ucoach cause already Kaizer Chiefs im-announcile as one of the co-coaches angithi until the end of the season. But-ke at the moment akekho, use-North Africa ulungisa iy'nkinga, ama-personal problems wakhe overall laphana. Yeah, hayi ziyakhala bafethu. Enye into Kaizer Chiefs iyahlekisa. Kaizer Chiefs usiyabuza ukuthi I think amanye decision making nokubuza ukuthi okay i-team enjani-ke le e-change njalo iya-change. Ucoach namhlanje uconfirmile ukuthi izolo man uconfirmile ukuthi i-new captain. Bona ezi-Kaizer Chiefs badecide ukuthi sebane-new captain from manje going forward. I-new captain yabo ubani? uPeterson. Simbonile uPeterson ephethe ibhande, sebadecide ukumenza i-captain. Baqala isizini kwi-captain kuyi-Inacio Miguel and then jike selibanjwa ukunika ibhande. uNational Miguel mabambuza kwi-interview I think he shied away from the question wavele wathi ama-leaders whatever different, so ufila ngathi kumele kunika ibhande. Zonke lezo zinto lezo only to see izolo ukuthi uPeter Siniga manje sokuyi-captain ye-Kaizer Chiefs. So kusho ukuthi abathembani as i-team overall laphana. Baqala isizini ne-captain aso, but only for them to switch bavele bathi captain yile. Yeah, so uzobuild i-team kanjani if ayikho i-trust between ama-players nama-coach overall? I mean, okokuqala you are afraid ukudlalisa abanye abadlali, ufuna ukudlala ngabadlali laba ojwayele ukudlala ngabo abangakuniki lutho at the end of the day. UBatman u-available, uLebohang Maboyo u-available, uVelebayi u-available. uVelebayi, I think uVelebayi bambeke laphana ebhentshini ukuthi ba-ize ilokhu njani i-buzz from ama-social media platforms or abantu ngoba beloku bakhuluma basho ukuthi sifuna ukubona abantu abasha, sifuna ukubona abantu abasha, but uVelebayi bamselect bambeke laphana ebhentshini. I was expecting ukuthi uVelebayi uzodlala, but-ke because of ucoach e-Kaizer Chiefs ama-coward, they think maybe he's not ready. Umfana uHungry ufuna ukuziprova ku-Kaizer Chiefs, bafethu i-big moment for yena. Ufuna ukuziprova. OLilepo ba-guaranteed umuntu odlala each and every game uzo-improva kanjani because of uyazi ukuthi i-competition ayikho that much for yena. uModi bamthatha bambeka kuma-grandstand, bathatha uModi bambeka kuma-grandstand, ngithi mina ngizitshela ukuthi uVelebayi uzodlala uzoyithola opportunity, hhayi baza nezinye. Baqalisa uDuba akakabi masiba fair, uDuba bafethu akakabi nesizini enhle, but uqalile laphana. Siyibonile igame yakhe azange simbone at all. So izinto ezifew bafethu ezishape i-team ziyenza ukuthi ibe strong. Ungadlalisi ngokufavor bafethu, dlalisa based on merit ukuthi usibanibani uyadeserve ukudlala, usibanibani usebenza kanzima ejimini, usibanibani wenza kanje. Ungadlalisi abangani bakho nanokuthi wenzele abanye abantu ama-favor. Khona abantu uzuzibuza ukuthi okay, bafika kanjani kula ma-situations lawo, cause nale nto leyo yokuqalisa uMcCarthy ku-left back, uShinga bangadlali, leyo nto leyo isenda yiphi i-message bafethu ukuthi uMcCarthy akusi-left back number one. Asisho ukuthi ngeke akwazi ukuyidlala, bagcine bamsusa ku-left back because babonile ngathi is not giving them that much in terms of like i-left back fluidity. Bafaka u-Cross second half. If uMarco sebuyile kusho ukuthi uShinga akana chance at all bafethu ukudlala. Ngiyazi mangisho lento le abantu bazothi une-chance basazomnika opportunity. Nini bafethu, if one of the best, one of the most trusted left backs laphana ethimini i-injured but wena awukho, ngihlezi ngisho lento le ukuthi abantu baze bayizwe kahle. Kusho ukuthi uShinga bangabhekana ne-moment efana nekabongani Sema ukuthi angadlali isizini yonke, or bazomzama mase seba-comfortable sebabona ukuthi hayi singamncingisake kule game le. uSheslett asikamboni nokumbona. Noma kuthiwa ama-player waphefoma ejimini kahle, but-ke lawo wadlalisa game in game out each and every week, each and every after 3 days, the way asho ngakhona ucoach laphana, because ube ne-excuse uthe ama-game maningi, bona badlala ama-game ukuthi ku-tough because of badlala ama-game every 3 days or so, izinto ezinjalo. But nika abanye abantu i-opportunity, like equal opportunities. Unganiki ama-chance ngokufavor nanokuthi osibanibani uyabazi, no. Nika abantu in all fairness bafowethu, and then let the players fail bona inside the field of play. Hayi ukuthi wena ubadecide-ele ukuthi hayi, I'm not gonna play this one, I'm gonna continue nosibanibani kanje nakanje. uLilepo, what is he giving i-Kaizer Chiefs? Yes, mina uLilepo siyamazi ukuthi uyalazi ibhola bafowethu, angifuni ukuqamba manga uyalazi, u-hungry, but for the past few games mbeke ebhentshini, ungamfaki nokumfaka, adlalisa abafana abasha untested, new legs, udlalise bona, ubanike i-chance, because lo mdlalisayo akakuniki lutho, akakuniki magoli, akakuniki ma-assist. Uyawathola ama-chance, ugeje ipenalty, ukuza kanjena nje siyabona ukuthi ama-performances wakhe awekho ku-final third, awekho right. Mhlalise ebhentshini, dlalisa abanye abafana. So if awudlalisa abanye ubatheste, oVelebayi ubatheste, lesiya amanye ama-player, udlalisa same bantu laba ekukhalwa ngabo each and every week, abageja njalo, abangakutholile ama-results. I mean, a-Kaizer Chiefs kuphume i-statement vele ukuthi uBatman he won't even make the squad. Won't even make the squad. Leyo nto i-big statement, you won't even make the squad because ama-coach awakabi ne-sure ukuthi azomdlalisa yiphi i-position. Ane-sure ngabantu laba abangadelive bafowethu. Let's call the team out if like we have to call the team out. And abanye kumele bacoach. And enye into, uKaizer Chiefs kumele ba-decide ukuthi bafuna ucoach bacoache or bona abantu baku-management bafuna ukucoach. Because I'm seeing this trend njalo. iKaizer Chiefs before izoqala i-match, i-management ikhona laphana egrawundini ime eceleni ko-coach. ufunani? Hamba kuma-grandstand and then i-pressure ibe low ko-coach bazokwazi ukusebenza ku-better space kangcono with ease because i-pressure manje too much laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs. I mean, akudlali ukungawini 4 games straight. Labantu baqala isizini kahle kakhulu bafethu. And the sad thing ukuthi abaluzi, just ukuthi abatholi ama-results. Abaluzi labantu banama-draws amaningi. Abaluzi that much. Baluzi bashawe isikhukhuni elikini. Isikhukhuni esibavele sababhaxabula 3. Lamanye amagame amaningi bayadominate in terms of i-position, bayadominate. Okay, into ebaluleke kakhulu overs amagoli, bayadominate to-create ama-opportunities, but guess what? Final third. Yeah, ngithi ngikhulume nohunye okunye bafethu. Eyi, okay. Khona izinto engingazi-understand laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs. Nama-fans we-Kaizer Chiefs kumele a-account. I-Kaizer Chiefs ayithola ama-results for 4 games ku-Betway Premiership. Guess what? What we are seeing after the game. Ama-fans anika ulo kanjani u-Aiden McCarthy imbali. I don't know ukuthi bamnikeleni, bathi udlale kahle, washa bacima bephethe imbali laphana after i-game. And then uyahlala ubheke ubuze ukuthi okay, if they're not getting ama-results, everyone around the team ba-frustrated, why would ama-fan babashayela izandla abanye bathi yini into abayincomayo ngempela? What are you uploading? Yini into ulo ayenze kahle ukuthi okay uyamncoma ukuthi hayi udlalile? Because you have ukuncoma, kumele uncome everything ukuthi okay they're getting ama-results, siyambona usibani bani uperforma kahle kakhulu. So I think uyayi-deserve whatever we're giving him. So obviously ama-fans isikhathi esiningi asebenzisa uthando, asebenzisa iqiniso because i-team when they're not baba-spoiled labantu laba number one ukuthi bayazi ukuthi uthando silithola noma kuthiwa siperform, which is not a good thing. You have to earn uthando lama-fans. Yes, awakuthande but akwazi uku-criticize. Asho ukuthi angeke i-team ayithola ama-results kanje kugejwa kanje but abanye abadlali bathola ama-present from ama-fans. But okay, angingeni ndawo ukuthi ubani bani bamnikile if like wena as an individually ufila ngathi some of the players deserve ama-flowers, deserve ukunconywa, deserve ini. Umncoma kanjani umuntu because badlala as i-group. Ubhoti lana ushilo nayo noma ubaba ukuthi abadlale as i-team, hhayi as ama-individual. So if wena uzophikha umuntu oyedwa ukuthi uma engaphefomhi kahle in terms of ukuthola ama-results, uthini nge-team as a whole? Because abanye abantu baba-big headed ukuthi mina ama-fans ayangithanda, angithengela whatever, I react this way. So baba-celebrate but baba-celebrate uma bathola ama-results. Unga-celebrate into engekho, celebrate ama-results. Khona into enkulu engiyibonile laphana, I think i-post ovino if angenzi iphutha, i-fan ye-Kaizer Chiefs laphana ithe qashani uPitso Mosimane bafethu abe i-head coach e-Kaizer Chiefs, and then uKhalil noKhaze baba ama-assistant coach. I think authority ngihlezi ngisho bafethu lento le, ngizoyiphinda futhi, badinga umuntu ozokwazi ukulida i-Kaizer Chiefs to greater height. So without umuntu ozoba i-leader langempela laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs, there is no way ube successful bafethu ngama-coach ayi-2, akuna-leader lapho overall. Be successful kuma-different departments. The success kuma-different department idinga inkosi, kufana nomuzi. Ngeke ukuthi uney'nhloko zomuzi eziwu-2, there's no way, ayenzeki. There's no way, ayenzeki. Khona kumele athobele umthetho. Kunobaba womuzi and then maybe kunabafana, noma kuthiwa abafana bakhona sebakhulile but bayazi ukuthi kumele bahloniphe bani la ekhaya egcekeni. So yiyo into ye-Kaizer Chiefs, you can't have abantu abawu-2 ukuthi hhayi bazobamba 50-50. Authority iphuma kubani? Ama-players i-direction azoyithatha kubani? Because of kunama-views are-different from abantu abawu-2. Futhi bokuwesi-ke no-goalkeeper coach naye besukuma, nanoma ubani ku-Kaizer Chiefs ozizwayo nje ukuthi namhlanje ngiyasukuma, uzosukuma. They need leadership strong, they need leadership powerful, they need abantu abazokwazi ukuyifayithela laphana i-Kaizer Chiefs. Yeah, hhayi ziyakhala eNaturena bafethu, ziku-loudspeaker ngempela. Yabo lento le yokuthi sithembe ukuthi bazolungisa izinto, ayikho into esisazoyithemba-ke manje bafethu. I think i-Kaizer Chiefs the saddest thing ukuthi bajabulisa uJunior Khanye. Bajabulisa uJunior Khanye kakhulu and then bamprova right-ke manje ukuthi uJunior Khanye u-right, uhlezi u-right ngathi. So sibambile-ke manje ukuthi hhayi vele zama-fake pop. Cause zonke lezi zinto ayishoyo uJunior Khanye nazi manje siyazibona bafowethu. Kusho ukuthi abamphikisi, bayavuma ukuthi ayi vele indaba yethi ayikho bafowethu. So uzomphikisa kanjani noma kuthiwa sewuyamlwisa uJunior Khanye, uzomlwisa uthini if abantu badlala kanje, if abana-confidence, if aba-convert ama-opportunities, if they started a season, it was promising, it was very promising when it started. Even if you drop ama-points but shaya amagoli uma wathola ama-opportunities, kudla i-tough game, kubonakala ukuthi hhayi bezibambene ngempela. But-ke e-stadium ama-fans ebusuku aya-attend and ama-fans azodropha cause i-Kaizer Chiefs uma yenza kahle ama-fans aba maningi e-stadium even nasebusuku. But-ke manje ebusuku ayadropha. Why? Because of they not doing well inside the field of play. They have to do well in order, to attract ama-fans amaningi. So without you doing well, khohlwa ama-fans azoloku ancipha and without i-confidence yama-fans, ibhazi uNgcobo earlier on mekhuluma lapha ne-Vodacom, lento ya-Vodacom, uthe ucela ama-fans ukuthi eze e-stadium yibo banika i-booster, izinto ezinjalo. So ama-fans uma eloku a-disappointed kanje ucabanga ukuthi azoza e-stadium? There's no way, awahlanyi phela ama-fans ukuthi njalo azobukela abantu bageja nje njalo week in and week out, bayageja abantu. Umuntu uspenda imali yakhe, uphethroli, abanye babhukha amateksi baye e-stadium bobukela i-Kaizer Chiefs, uma befika i-Kaizer Chiefs idlala intando yayo. Hhayi bafowethu, ezinye izinto asilimeleni iqiniso, angeke. Hhayi ngeke. The players and ayiyekweni lento le, okay, from me side lami lento le ukuthi yazi abantu bathi kunga-attack-wa ama-player, kube bayazi ukuthi abantu e-stadium kwenzakalani cause ama-fans wase-stadium are-divided. They're not taking that thing ukuthi usibani uzogeja. They're not taking it at all. Khona ama-opportunities owageja ama-fans athi awuzamile bakushayela izandla, kodwa khona amanye uma uwageja ama-fans athi no, sikhathele-ke manje. And bayakhathala, bazoba frustrated kancane kancane, balokhu bayakhathala because it was promising. Jiki, the performance is dropped. The performance is down. The strikers not converting their chances. I-strike, ubone ukuthi i-Kaizer Chiefs ine-problem e-serious bafowethu. Ubone ukuthi i-Kaizer Chiefs ine-problem e-serious. I-striker zabo ithi ngiyibale seyidlalile. I-strike ezintsha ziwu-3 sedidlalile this season already, eziwu-3. So la ngikhuluma ngoMayo, ngikhuluma ngo-Ighodaro, ngikhuluma ngoSilva. And then ngikhulume ngoDuba, ngikhulume ngoDupreez. UMorris naye uyitholile i-chance yakhe bafowethu ngasikhathi ageja ipenalty. Kusho ukuthi i-strike eziwu-6 zaku-Kaizer Chiefs this season sezingenile laphana inside the field of play. Kusele eziwu-2 kuphela ezingakadlali. uHlungwane noBatman kuphela. Bathi uBatman abayazi iposition yakhe. Mihlola, hhayi yenzeka, awuyazi iposition yakhe. Ngathi abanye abantu labo othi uyawazi ama-position wabo, bona bayaperform. They're not performing. They're not delivering because these people have to deliver for the team, but they're not doing that. Let's call ama-player out, and ngiya-understand ukuthi iyabacindezela enye into. Yabona ukuthi angibalwisi mina, ngisho ukuthi idwedwe, iphukuphuku, no. Uyasho nje ukuthi okay, ama-fans abekezelile, ayabekezela, they keep on bekezeling, but kubekezela to what extent ngempela bafowethu. So yeah, sign ama-player awu-11, amaningi ama-players awakadlali. They are chopping and changing, abazi ukuthi liyashona noma liyaphuma. Iskimu sakhona awusazi. uSolomons udlala kahle, the next game kuma-grandstand. So ziyakhala ku-Chiefs bafethu. Hhayi ziyakhala. Hhayi ngeke. Ngicela ukuyibamba la kwamanje. Danko bafethu. Ngicela ningakhohlwa uku-like ne-subscribe. Making sure bafethu ukuthi le page leli liyakhula. Kubaluleke kakhulu bafethu ukuthi sikhulise le page because bafuna ukulithatha i-page. So if liyakhula i-page ngeke ngibathengisele abantu, but if asilikhulisi le page leli, I'll have to sell unfortunately. But malikhula so ngizokwazi ukuwumela nami. Danko.